What's up, guys? It's Coach Johnson coming to you guys another video discussing Chapter 1. Today, we're going to talk about Section 3, the branches of geography. First thing we're going to talk about is physical geography. In many ways, geography is a huge puzzle. It is made up of many different branches and divisions. Each of these branches focuses on a single aspect of the planet. Viewed separately, none of these branches show us the entire world. However, if you combine them, you can see how geography has an outstanding impact on our planet and how we learn about it. Geography has two main branches, the physical geography and human geography. Geographers identify and locate major physical and human geographic features from various locations. The first branch, the physical geography, is the study of the world's physical geographic features, its landform, its body, its climate, soil, and plants. Here's an example. The physical world. Physical geographers want to know all about the different features found on the planet. They want to know where mountain ranges are and how they're built, how rivers flows across the landscape, and why different amounts of rainfall from place to place. Physical geographers want to know what causes different shapes on Earth. To answer these questions, physical geographers take detailed measurements and study the height of mountains and temperatures of places. The use of physical geography. Earth is made up of hundreds of types of physical geographic features. Without a complete understanding of these features, the effects they have on the world's people and landscape, we cannot fully understand our world. This is a major reason why geographers study the physical world to learn how it works so it can better help people. Human geography. The physical world is only one part of the puzzle of geography. People are also part of the world. Human geography is the study of the world's human geographic features, people, communities, landscapes, and it is the second major branch of geography. Human world. Human geographers study the world's people, past and present. They look at where people lived and why. They ask why certain parts of the world have more people than others, and why some places have almost no people. Human geographers also study what people do, what kind of jobs do they have, how do they grow up, are they industrial blue collar people, are they white collar, do they make crops and things like that. These are questions that human geographers are going to study. The use of geography, although every culture is different, people around the world have some common needs. All people need food and water. All people need shelter. All people need to deal with others in order to survive. Human geographers study how people in various um, place addresses their need. They look at the food people eat and the type of government they form. The knowledge they gather can help use to be better understood by the people. Other fields of geography, you got the human geography, can also help other types of social sciences such as archaeologists. Archaeologists engage in digs and study artifacts and features of a particular location. They gather evidence from people or groups that have lived at particular points in time. Historians are archaeologists, geographers, and other types of evidence to investigate patterns in history, to identify turning points. A turning point can be an event, an era, or a development in history that has brought social and cultural, economical, and political change. Physical geography and human geography are the two largest branches of the subject, but they are not the only ones. You have most of these fields are smaller but more specific areas of either physical or human geography. First one, cardiology. Cardiology. One key part of geography is this. This is the science of making maps. Without maps, geographers would not be able to look at the planet. In addition to locations, maps can display information about people, places, and events. Okay. In the past, these always drew the maps from land. Many of these maps were not very accurate. Today, though, most maps are made through computers and satellites. Hydrology. Another important branch of geography is hydrology, the study of the water on Earth. Geographers in the field study the water's water rate and rainfall. They study to figure out why do some areas have droughts while others flood very often, and where do we get our drinking water from. Meteorology. Have you ever seen the weather report on television? If so, you have seen the result of geography. The branch is called meteorology, the study of the weather and what it causes.